kitchen. Don't you just love spring rolls? Well, I sure do. So today I will be making chicken spring rolls with a delicious sweet and sour dipping sauce. So stay tuned to see the end result and to learn some fun facts with me. So let's have a look at the ingredients. For the spring rolls, you will need spring roll wrappers or phyllo pastry, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 500 grams of chicken mince, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and ginger, 1 spring onion chopped, a half a head of cabbage shredded, 2 carrots thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and about 2 tablespoons of corn flour with 1/4 cup of water to make the corn flour paste, and vegetable oil for deep frying. Now for the delicious sweet and sour dipping sauce, you will need 1 cup of canned pineapple juice, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/3 cup of rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a corn flour paste. This time 1.5 tablespoons of corn flour mixed with 2 tablespoons of water. So let's get started. Step 1. Let's make the delicious sweet and sour dipping sauce. First, place all of the ingredients except for the corn flour paste in a small saucepan and bring this to a boil. Then, stir in the corn flour paste and allow this to simmer for another minute until thickened, stirring constantly. Then, set aside to cool. Now for the spring rolls. Step 2. Combine the soy sauce, rice vinegar, pepper, and corn flour in a bowl. Then add the chicken mince and mix well and allow this to marinate for 10 minutes. It is believed that spring rolls originated from China and they are usually eaten during Chinese New Year, also called the Spring Festival in mainland China, hence the name. Step 3. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and stir fry the chicken mince until brown. Then remove it and set aside. Step 4. On a medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, then add in the spring onion, garlic and ginger and cook this for 30 seconds. Did you know that eating spring rolls is a way to welcome the arrival of spring? Now add in the carrots and cabbage. Stir fry your vegetables for 2 minutes or until the carrots have softened. Step 5. Now add the cooked chicken back into the pan with the oyster sauce. Then mix well and allow to cool. Step 6. Time to make the spring rolls. Put some of the filling onto the pastry, then fold them into a round shape. And use some of the corn flour paste to stick the pastry together. Spring rolls are a delicious snack that anyone can enjoy. Step 7. Now deep fry the spring rolls for about 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. All done! I hope they taste as delicious as they look. Let's give it a try. The sweet and sour dipping sauce. Wow, now that's a delicious sweet and sour dipping sauce. And the spring rolls are great too. Spring rolls are one of my family's favorite snacks, so we are going to dig in. But please remember to subscribe to our channel for more fun, delicious and trendy recipes with me. See you next time. Goodbye!